Hi everybody, this is Barbara Mason from Golden Road Arts. Today we're going to do a fan. Now I don't know where you live, but where I live it's been very hot in the daytime and we could all use a fan. And so I thought a fan that looked like a dog would really be fun. So the first thing we have is we have a little paper plate here, just a regular plate. And we're going to turn it over and we're going to put our little stick on the back. This is going to make it into a fan. So I've got 3 pieces of tape here. I'm going to put one up and down, straight across, and then I'm going to put 2 going the other way, and that's going to make it stronger to have them going 2 different ways. So we're going to have 1 that goes up and 2 that go across. Now that's going to be pretty good, and now we're going to be able to use our fan to keep us cool because it's been really hot here. So to make our fan look like a dog, doing a dog is pretty easy. So the first thing we have is his nose, and we're going to put it right here. Okay, we've got our glue here, and we're going to put our glue on the back of the nose. And we're going to put our nose right here in the center, like this. And then we're going to take a black pen. You could use a crayon or a pen or anything you have. And we're going to come down a little bit, and then we're going to make him a big smile. And we're going to come down a little bit and make him a big smile the other way. Then we're going to take our eyes. We've got 2 eyes that I've cut out here, 2 eye shapes. We'll put 1 here, 1 on the other side. So we're going to be doing this. We're going to be doing this in the park. But we might do this again because this is a cute project and it's pretty simple. So we're going to put a little spot right here, and we're going to put a googly eye. So I'm very fond of googly eyes. I think they're really, really fun to use. So if you didn't have googly eyes, though, you could just draw your eye with a black marker, and that would work too. So now we're going to put his ears on. I think this is a pretty cute dog. I think everybody at the park tomorrow is really going to have a good time making it. So we're going to have to let it dry for just a few minutes, but once it dries, we're going to be able to pick it up and we're going to be able to use it as a fan. So we've got our fan finished. Here's our little dog fan, and you can see how cute he is. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you next time.